Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Chill English Time. I'm Emma, and with me is...
Hey, I'm Michael.
Today, we have something really special. We're going to learn about daily routines in English, but with a fun twist.
A twist? What do you mean?
Well, we'll learn the basic phrases first, and then we'll hear from a very special guest, a little girl named Rose, who will tell us all about her day.
Oh, that sounds adorable.
It is, and it's perfect for learning because kids use simple, clear English. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to talk about your daily routine.
I love it.
And hey, if you're enjoying our lessons, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We make English learning fun and easy here at Chill English Time.
Yeah, join our community.
All right, let's start with the basics. Michael, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, I wake up and then I check my phone.
I know, me too. But let's focus on the routine. So, I wake up. Everyone, repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
Good. Now, after you wake up, do you get up right away?
Not really. I stay in bed for a bit.
Perfect. I stay in bed. That's common. Then, when you finally leave the bed, you get up. Repeat. I get up.
I get up.
Great. Now, what about the bathroom? What do you do there in the morning?
Oh, I brush my teeth.
Exactly. I brush my teeth. And maybe I wash my face?
Yes, I wash my face. That wakes me up.
Me too. All right, let's practice. Everyone, repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
And I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Perfect. Now, breakfast time. Do you have breakfast or eat breakfast?
I usually say I have breakfast. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Both are correct, but I have breakfast is very common. Repeat. I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
Good. And what do you usually eat?
I eat cereal, or sometimes I eat toast.
Nice. Those are easy phrases. I eat cereal. I eat toast. Simple and clear.
Yeah, this is easy.
Now, let's talk about getting ready. Do you get dressed before or after breakfast?
I get dressed after breakfast.
Perfect. I get dressed. That means you put on your clothes. Repeat. I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Excellent. All right, I think you're ready to hear from Rose. She's going to tell us all about her day, and you'll hear all these phrases in action.
I can't wait.
Let's listen.
Hi, my name is Rose. I'm 4 years old. Well, almost 5. Today I'm going to tell you about my day. Are you ready? So, every morning, I wake up when I hear my mommy calling me. And I open my eyes. And I see the sunshine coming through my window. I love the sunshine. But you know what? I don't get up right away. I stay in bed with my teddy bear, Mr. Fluffy. We cuddle for a little bit. Maybe 2 minutes, or 5 minutes. I don't know. Then my mommy comes to my room and she says, "Come on, Rose. Time to get up." And then I get up. Oh! I get up and I go to the bathroom with my mommy. She helps me because I'm still little. I wash my face with warm water. It feels nice. Not too cold, not too hot. Just perfect. And then I brush my teeth. I have a pink toothbrush. It's so pretty. After that, I go to my room and I get dressed. I pick my clothes. Well, sometimes my mommy picks them, but sometimes I do. I like to wear colorful clothes. My favorite is my purple dress with flowers. It's so beautiful. When I get dressed, I feel like a princess. Then I go downstairs to the kitchen. And guess what? I have breakfast. Yay! Breakfast is my favorite. Well, actually, all food is my favorite. For breakfast, I usually eat cereal with milk. I love cereal. It's crunchy and sweet. Sometimes I eat pancakes too. My daddy makes the best pancakes in the whole world. He puts chocolate chips in them. So yummy. Oh! And I drink orange juice every morning. My mommy says it's good for me. It has vitamins. I don't really know what vitamins are, but orange juice is delicious, so I drink it all. While I'm eating breakfast, I talk to my mommy and daddy. I tell them about my dreams. Last night, I dreamed about unicorns. They were pink and they could fly. It was amazing. After breakfast, I brush my teeth again. Yes, again. My mommy says I have to brush my teeth after eating. So I do. Brush, brush, brush. Then, I put on my shoes. I have light-up shoes. When I walk, they light up. Red, blue, green. So cool. I put on my shoes by myself. Well, sometimes my daddy helps me with the laces, but I can do the Velcro part. And then, I go to kindergarten. That's my school. I love kindergarten. I go to kindergarten every day, Monday to Friday. My mommy drives me there in the car, and we sing songs. At kindergarten, I play with my friends. I have so many friends. There's Lily, and Tom, and Sarah, and Ben. We play together. We play with blocks, and dolls, and cars, and we draw pictures. I love drawing. I draw my family, and flowers, and butterflies. Oh! And I learn new things at kindergarten. My teacher, Miss Anna, teaches us. She's so nice. I learn the alphabet, and numbers, and colors. I already know all my colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, black, white. See? I know them all. At kindergarten, we also have snack time. Around 10 o'clock, I eat a snack. Sometimes I eat an apple, or crackers, or a banana. And I drink water. Miss Anna says water is very important. After snack time, we play outside. Yay! I love playing outside. Then at 12 o'clock, it's lunchtime. I have lunch at kindergarten. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not my favorite. Today we had chicken and rice and carrots. I ate the chicken and the rice, but I don't really like carrots. Don't tell my mommy. Oh! And I drink milk with my lunch. White milk, not chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk better, but they only have white milk at kindergarten. After lunch, we have quiet time. That means we rest for a little bit. We don't sleep, but we sit quietly and we listen to stories. Miss Anna reads us stories. I love stories. My favorite story is about a little bear who goes on an adventure. Then we do more activities. We sing songs, we play games, we do art projects. Today I made a drawing of my house. I used crayons. Red for the roof, blue for the walls, yellow for the door, and green for the grass. At 3 o'clock, my mommy comes to pick me up. I finish kindergarten and I go home with her. In the car, I tell her everything about my day. When I get home, the first thing I do is I take off my shoes. My feet are tired. Then I wash my hands. My mommy always says, wash your hands when you come home. So I do. After that, I have a snack. I'm always hungry when I come home from kindergarten. I eat fruit, like strawberries or grapes. Or sometimes I eat cookies. But just 2 cookies, not more. My mommy says too many cookies are not good. Sometimes I watch cartoons on TV. I like cartoons about animals and princesses. I watch TV for 30 minutes. My mommy sets a timer. When the timer goes ding, I have to turn off the TV. Around 5 o'clock, I help my mommy. Sometimes I help set the table for dinner. I put the forks and spoons in the right places. I'm a good helper. Oh! Sometimes I play outside in our backyard before dinner. We have a garden, and I like to look at the flowers. And sometimes I see butterflies. They're so pretty. At 6 o'clock, I have dinner with my family. We all sit together at the table. My daddy, my mommy, and me. I eat dinner and I talk about my day. I tell them about kindergarten, about my friends, about what I learned. For dinner, I usually eat different things. Sometimes spaghetti, sometimes chicken, sometimes fish. And vegetables. My mommy always gives me vegetables. I don't always like them, but I try to eat them because I want to grow big and strong. And I drink water with dinner. Sometimes I drink juice too, but not every day. After dinner, I help clean up. I take my plate to the kitchen. I'm very careful. I don't drop it. And sometimes I help my daddy wash the dishes. He washes, and I dry them with a towel. Well, the plastic plates, not the glass ones. Those are too slippery. Then, it's bath time. I take a bath every night. I love taking baths. I have rubber duckies in my bath. Yellow duckies. They float in the water. And I have bubbles. So many bubbles. I play in the bath and I wash myself. My mommy helps me wash my hair. She uses special shampoo that doesn't hurt my eyes. After my bath, I put on my pajamas. I have princess pajamas. They're pink with crowns on them. So pretty. And they're so soft and comfortable. Then I brush my teeth again. Yes, for the 3rd time. Morning, after lunch at school if I can, and before bed. Brush, brush, brush. Clean teeth. After brushing my teeth, it's story time. This is my favorite part. I read books with my mommy or daddy. Well, they read to me because I can't read all the words yet. But I'm learning. I look at the pictures and I listen to the story. We read 2 or 3 books. My favorite books are about animals, and fairies, and adventures. Tonight we read a book about a little rabbit who lost his carrot. It was so funny. Sometimes, before bed, I say my prayers. I talk to God and I say thank you for my family, my friends, my toys, and my food. And I say good night to everyone. Then my mommy or daddy tucks me into bed. They cover me with my blanket. It's a soft blanket with stars on it. And Mr. Fluffy comes to bed with me. He sleeps next to me every night. My mommy gives me a kiss and says, "Good night, Rose. Sweet dreams." And my daddy gives me a hug and says, "Sleep well, princess." And then I go to sleep. Sometimes I fall asleep quickly, and sometimes it takes a little longer. I think about all the fun things I did today. And I dream, about playing, and animals, and adventures. And that's my day. That's my daily routine. Every day is a little different, but this is what I usually do. I wake up, I eat, I go to kindergarten, I play, I come home, I have dinner, I take a bath, and I go to sleep. I love my days. They're so fun. And tomorrow, I'll wake up and do it all again. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you have a great day too.
Oh my goodness, that was so adorable.
I know. Rose is so sweet.
I loved how she described everything. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I go to kindergarten. She used all the phrases we learned.
Exactly. And did you notice how simple her sentences were? That's perfect for learning.
Yeah, even a 4-year-old can talk about her routine clearly.
Right. And that shows you talking about your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated.
True. I mean, if Rose can do it, I can definitely do it.
Of course you can. Just start simple. I wake up at 7, I have breakfast, I go to work. That's it.
That makes sense. And I loved her details, like the light-up shoes and Mr. Fluffy.
Yes, details make your story interesting. So when you talk about your routine, add little details.
Got it. So instead of just saying I have breakfast, I can say I have breakfast and I drink coffee.
Perfect. See? You're getting it.
This was such a fun lesson.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. And everyone watching, I hope you enjoyed it too.
So, are you ready to talk about your routine in English?
Give it a try. Start with the morning. I wake up at, and keep going.
Practice makes perfect.
Absolutely. Well, that's all for today's Chill English Time.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. We have more fun lessons coming.
And leave a comment. Tell us one thing from your daily routine in English.
Yeah, we'd love to read your routines.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and
Stay chill.
bye everyone.
See you next time.